be like him, all hopeless and dead. Purchase Hoover Corp Fast Gluvs. They're guaranteed to give you the upper hand. Padded with our state-of-the-art technology with chrysalix and thorium to give you the extra power and the extra speed that you need.
Hoover Corp Fast Gluvs are equipped with our highly researched element chrysalix, which gives off healing and increased human capabilities. Wearing these gloves will cure any neurological disorder while wearing them, such as Parkinson's and arthritis and even more. However, be sure not to use them too often because soreness of the arms can occur, as well as burns on your hand. Ah, shit, my hand kind of burns. Now let's see what would have happened in that scenario if that guy had Hoover Corp Fast Gluvs on.
Give me your fucking money.
Punk ass bitch.